Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to demonstrate on how to crochet beads bracelet. First, you need some beads or bracelet stone, embroidery yarn and a crochet hook. In this video I am using a set of jade stones originally from a necklace. This is a request from my friend Revati, as she wants this jade necklace to be turned into bracelet. First, put in some beads into the embroidery yarn. Make a slip knot on the other side of the yarn. Then make 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Pull 1 bead from the left side of the yarn. And then make a single crochet. Actually, this part is a little bit tricky, but as for beginners, at first you will have a bit of struggle for doing this part, for doing the single crochet, but with time and practice you will get the hang of it. Okay, slowly make 1 single crochet and then keep on tightens your project. Then make 3 chains. Pull another bead. Make 1 single crochet. Repeat the steps of 1 single crochet and 3 chains for all beads until you get the length of the bracelet that you want. I'm now at the last bead of my bracelet. Make another 1 single crochet. Chain 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. You are finished with the first row of the bracelet. Then we proceed to the second row. Make 1 single crochet. Place your hook in between 2 beads. Repeat the steps until finish. End it with a slip stitch at the end of the bracelet. You are finished. Then make chains for the bracelet tail as long as you want. Proceed to the next end of your bracelet. Put your hook into the bracelet and pull out the yarn and make another chains. I made 3 chains. Then I add in the connector for the bracelet. Thank you for watching. Happy crocheting. Bye.